Hey, you look great today.
Thank you. You're looking nice too.
I'm really glad we could meet. I've been looking forward to this all week.
Me too. This place is really cozy. Good choice.
Yeah, I thought you'd like it. So, what do you usually order at cafes?
I usually go for a latte. What about you?
I'm a cappuccino kind of guy. Should we order something to eat too?
Sure, I'm kind of hungry. Maybe we can share a dessert.
Great idea. Let's look at the menu. I've been looking forward to this. Used to express excitement or anticipation. Cozy, a warm, comfortable, and relaxing place. Example, this cafe is so cozy. Go for something, a casual way to say choose or pick. Example, I usually go for a latte. Kind of hungry, a natural phrase to say you're a little hungry. Example, I'm kind of hungry. Let's order something.
Want to speak English fluently? Subscribe for daily short lessons.